Hi everybody, Tammy here, welcome to my channel. So Terry and I are busy, as you can see, putting together the goodie bags for the virtual Blythe retreat. We're going to be holding it June 13th, 14th, and 15th, and 16th, right? 4 days this time.
Yeah.
2024. And yeah, just thought I'd pop on here real quick. We're busy. So this is what's going to be in the goodie bags. I might do another video, but here we go. The outfit is a cute little outfit like this with a t-shirt that we specifically designed for the retreat and little bloomers. See those little bloomers there?
Yellow.
We've got, yeah, yellow.
And then there's purple.
Purple.
And blue.
Blue. And it's like it's a pretty light blue. So yeah, so there's, you'll get what you get. There's no, whatever. Everything's a little bit similar yet different. All the t-shirts are the same though.
Yes.
And yes, so it's super cute. Look at that. It's all sparkly. We really love the t-shirts.
Yes, we're excited about those.
Yeah. All right. And then we have some specialty fabric for one of, it's all folded the other way, so you can't quite see it. But when you get your pass, all of this will make sense. This is some specialty fabric. We have just some stickers, a little extra swag in there. We have some charms, and we have some shells. These are also going to be used for a specific project. This time we beefed up the supplies, okay? We wanted to make sure you had at least one outfit, which you do, and also supplies and some swag. Here is all the jewelry making supplies for the jewelry that we'll be making in the pole charms and that sort of thing.
I have them separated out and in different baggies per project.
Right.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to say.
And what we've got, is it 9 workshops this time? How many workshops?
I don't remember.
I think it's 9 workshops we had. Last time we had 6.
Yes, I think it is 9.
Yeah, so we have 9. Okay.
And then
look, again, these are all a little bit different, but here she has this cute little keychain. This has a mermaid on it. And if you've seen our video where we made the big announcement, we talked about our theme is Under the Sea Party, and we will be making, taking a couple of Blythe dolls and turning them into Under the Sea characters through various projects and workshops. Like I said, I believe there's 9 total. We will have an agenda posted in the group after you purchase a retreat pass, which you can do. I'll have a link down below. But the retreat passes are available right now in my shop, Kawaii Doll Shop on Etsy. And we have 50 goodie bags that we're putting together. Once those are gone, they're gone. But you do not have to have a goodie bag in order to participate. We will have a list of supplies also available to you once you purchase a pass and I get my act together. we have quite a few weeks before, June pops up. So we're good. When we're filming this now at the end of March, so by the time I publish it, it will be early April.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, today,
this
is March the 30th.
It's the 30th. Okay. So yeah. All right. So like I said, we might do another specific video, but I wanted to show you real quick what's in the goodie bags. A super cute outfit that includes a pair of bloomers and BBR t-shirt, specialty fabric for one of the workshops, cute little stickers, some shells and charms also for one of the workshops, some jewelry making supplies for a couple of the workshops, and keychain. And also we're putting them in these resealable bags that we put little cute stickers on.
Yeah, these are really nice bags.
Yeah, these are nice. You can reuse them, and we got some little fun sea creatures for our Party Under the Sea theme. And yeah, we wanted something that you could reuse again, and so that's why we went with these baggies.
Yes, we are into recycle, reuse.
Yeah, as much as possible.
Yeah.
All right, so I got to get busy. Let me know if you have any questions down below in the comments, or you can private message me if you want to. And like I said, there's also going to be a link down there directly to the Kawaii Doll Shop where you can purchase your pass. When you get the pass, it's a downloadable file through Etsy. It will give you instructions on how to join us on the Facebook group, and it also includes a couple of patterns for some of the workshops. So it includes a pattern, or actually 2 patterns for some of the workshops we'll be doing. And yeah, we hope to see you there. All right, you say bye, Terry.
Bye-bye.